All right. Hi there. My name is Steven with the Z Team OC Real Estate Group here in beautiful Orange County, California. I hope you're having a great day. Today, I wanted to create a quick little video tutorial to share with you an answer to the question, does renting a home save me money versus purchasing a home? Now, people typically ask this question because a rental amount is usually less than a mortgage amount. For a home that is renting at $2,000 a month, the typical mortgage payment could be $2,500 a month. So one would be tempted to look at that and say, well, I'm saving $500 a month, therefore I am saving money. So let's take a little bit deeper look into that theory and just see if it proves to be true. So let's assume that you have a home where the purchase price is about $350,000, okay? Now, let's say you put a 3.5% down payment on that home. Your mortgage amount, your monthly mortgage payment is going to be typically $2,500. Now, if you were to go and rent that home instead of purchasing it, your monthly rental payment would be about $2,000. So there's about a $500 difference between buying that home and renting that home each month. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's say you were to multiply that by 12 months, 500 times 12, that's about $6,000 a year that you're saving renting that home versus purchasing it. So right there off the bat, I'm going to look at this and say, wow, renting is really a lot better than buying because I'm saving $6,000 a year. Now let's look at this over 30 years. So if you were to take that $6,000 and multiply that by 30, that means over 30 years you'd be saving $180,000 renting the home versus purchasing. Again, you're going to look at this and just say, wow, renting is just a way better idea. I'm saving hundreds of thousands of dollars. So again, let's take a little bit deeper look into the data and see if that's true. Let's take a look at the home that you purchased for $350,000. Now, we know in California, we can experience appreciation on a home that we purchase. And let's say over 30 years, the home that you bought appreciates 15%. Now, that is a very conservative amount. For anybody who has bought, sold, or understands real estate in Orange County, California, or just regular California, you'll know that 15% appreciation over 30 years is an extremely conservative number. But let's just be very conservative here to prove the point. Let's say your appreciation is $15,000, 15%, which gives you $52,500 appreciation on the property. So now this original home that you purchased for $350,000, you add the 15% appreciation, and you get $402,500. At the end of the 30-year term, from purchasing that home for $350,000, you now have a free and clear asset that is worth $402,500. So you compare that to what you could have saved in renting, and if you subtract this number, which you could have saved in renting, from what you would have to gain if you owned, that's a $222,000 and $222,500 difference in savings if you were to purchase a home versus rent the home. So again, when you pay a mortgage, it works as a forced savings. What you're really doing is you're paying money back into your asset, and that asset will grow over time. So originally, if you look at this, you're tempted to think, wow, I'm going to save $180,000 if I rent. That's only if you look at it on a month-by-month basis. But if you look at all the figures over 30 years, if you purchase a home in this same scenario, you're going to gain $222,500. That is an incredible difference from the $180,000 that you would have saved in renting. So I hope this was helpful to you. This is just a snapshot because sometimes it's very confusing to calculate the the savings or the difference, and sometimes it's better just to look at it in a visual form. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 949-735-6392. That's 949-735-6392. Or email me at steven@zteamocrealestategroup.com. Steven@zteamocrealestate.com. Thanks and have a great day.